Hey there, friends! Sarah here, coming at you with an unboxing video, and yes, I sound like a gremlin. So today's unboxing video, I kind of forgot that I had it. So what I'm unboxing today is actually the Kawaii box from Pastel Pixie, but this one is actually the Party Cake box. Now this one came out, I think, like a month or two ago, and I got it because I was just like, ooh, that sounds like a lot of fun and everything looks so cute. And then it arrived and I was like, ooh, I don't have time to do an unboxing video of this right now, so I'll just put it like under my makeup desk so I can remember to do it later. And then promptly forgot it was there. So I was just like chilling in my room just before, and I saw it under the desk and was just like, hang on a second. So we're gonna do an unboxing. Whee! Now, I haven't actually opened this one off screen, so I should probably go find myself like a pair of scissors or like a knife or something to get this open with. Because, yeah, I don't want to break a nail. Now, for those of you that are wondering, I have bronchitis, but don't worry, I'm fine. I sound a lot worse than I feel. So I'm sorry I sound like a gremlin, but it is what it is. I'll be better soon. This is fine. This is fine. But hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Because, you know, you love me and you want to make me feel better. And you know what? It'd make me feel better if you sub to my channel. Oh God, I do sound terrible. I sound ridiculous. Okay. I'm fine. This is fine. I'm gonna go find some scissors and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I found my bubble tea. I also found a pair of scissors. So let's get into this opening. Let's get into this unboxing and check out the super cute stuff that is inside this box. So let's just I'm gonna do my best to not slice my fingers off. Hey, I did it! Alright. Sorry, I really can't take myself seriously right now. Okay, this is fine. Anyway, look, it's the box. Ooh, and we have the first item in said box is the cute little art. And I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this is done by Miss Jedi Flip, because just look how cute this is. It's adorable. For those of you that are wondering, Miss Jedi Flip is also the one that did the little chibi that is on all of my merch. So check that out because she's cute as heck. This is my little chibi here in case you're wondering what it looks like. Anyway, on the back of this it says, what is Party K? What is Party K, you ask? Well, I'm about to tell ya. Party K is a super bright and eye-catching style. Most colored motifs usually consist of party-themed gosh, I thought that said delights. It actually says designs, but it is a delight. Most motifs usually consist of party-themed designs with confetti, balloons, and rainbow colors. Inside this box are the cutest accessories to kickstart your Party Cake collection. So I'm very excited to open this. It's all very, very cute. Alright, let's see what our first item in ye oldie box is. Alright. Ooh, so colorful. Look at all the colors. Alright. So, first thing is what looks to be just like a little makeup baggie, and it's got rainbows and balloons and clouds on it. How cute. I'm gonna put stuff in it. What's next one? Let's just open this up. Get it out of the plastic. Ooh, that claw. I totally sound like one of those little green monsters, don't I? Alright, anyway, this baggie is empty inside the baggie. I'm gonna put it on my head. It's not a hat. Alright, okay, next we have god, look at these. Holy wowzers. They're so colourful. Aren't these just the prettiest socks you've ever seen? Wow, I love the colours. These are great. I was actually expecting them to be like knee-high ones, but they look to me like they're going to be like halfway up your shins kind of a sock, which is fine because they're cute, but still, look. Okay, what is next? Next we have, this stuff. I don't even know what this stuff is, but I want to like put it on my body or eat it. I'm not sure. Maybe both. This is Ree's Body and Bath Soft Soap. Oh, so it's soap, so you do put it on your body. Probably best you don't eat it then. Instructions. Use 1 teaspoon on your loofah or face washer, and that will wash your whole body. Oh, I want to smell it. It says it's like Fruity Blast. Oh, that is heaven. Look at it. It's just like, ooh. Ooh. It smells so good. I almost do want to eat it, but that's a bad life choice. We'll have some bubble tea instead. Bubble tea makes me do the happy dance. Moving right along. Our next item is this cute little pin. Look at this little guy. There's a rainbow and there's balloons and sprinkles and stuff. I've been really enjoying, like, I know this is only my second Pastel Pixie box, but I've been really enjoying the pins that are coming in here. The one that came with the Fairy K box was equally as adorable and pastel, and I don't have like a huge amount of pins, but I'm really enjoying these. So this one's really cute. I'm looking forward to adding it to my pin collection. And I think we're almost at the bottom here, so now it's time for the t-shirt. Now let's be honest, like, the box is awesome. I get it for the t-shirts because they're always super cute, and the only place you can get them is in the box. So, check this bad boy out. It is a t-shirt with like clouds and balloons and stuff on it, and it's purple. It looks like it's the same print that was on the little baggy thing on like this guy. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. How do I break into you? Huzzah! Found it! Yeah, I did it! What? Ooh, look, it's so pretty. So I was right, it has got the same print on it. Only, on a t-shirt, and it's got purple sleeves. So this is going to be super cute. I'm really looking forward to wearing this in summer. Like, I'm always looking for more interesting t-shirts and stuff that I can just wear with, like, shorts and skirts and things like that. So this is going to be adorable. I really like this. Right, and it looks like there's one last thing in the bottom of this box, which looks to be some super cute art, which I'm going to put on that wall with all my other cute things. Check this out. How adorable is that? It's so pretty. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. It's going to make a perfect addition to my my art wall, or my art wardrobe. Wardrobe. The thing I stick cute things on. This is going to fit right in. And that looks to be like the end of the box. It's empty. It's all gone. It's finished. Anyway, now I believe it is time to go and try everything on. Thank you so much for watching my Pastel Pixie Party K Kawaii Box unboxing video. My goodness, that's a mouthful. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was, whether you got this box, did you think it was cool? I also want to know, do you think I should get the Halloween one and do an unboxing of that one? Let me know. But anyway, now this is the end of the video. So thanks for hanging out, and till next time, love, love. Bye bye now.